Good morning. I'm so happy to be here with you. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is if you could open your packets, and some of you are sharing packets, and some of you have your own, and that's okay. And then if you could take the pieces out. And you know what's really nice about this is that we all have the same color. Okay, that's going to be cool. Isn't it fun how they sound? Yeah.
They sound like glass.
Yeah, they sound like glass. That's right. Okay, so I want all eyes here, if you will. Thank you for stopping. That's really good. In a second, can anybody tell me what this piece is? It's a circle. Excellent. What kind of a piece is it? Yes. One hole. Okay, very good. Does everybody agree?
Yes.
One hole? Excellent. Okay. Now, this is yours. Okay. What do you think?
One half.
One half. Excellent. Excellent. One half. Okay. And you know what? We all have the same colors, don't we? Okay. So you can put those 1/2 pieces on that sheet there.
Look.
Yeah, that's very cool. Very good. You did one. We're going to be doing something along those lines. So that's very good. Okay, now, if I divide the circle into 3 pieces, could someone show me what that piece would look like? What that small piece would look like? Yeah, Gabriella. Do you want to hold it up for everybody to see? Oh, Jada, I'm sorry. Jada, do you want to hold it up? Oh, just the piece. Here. Yeah, right. Hold it up so everybody can see.
Jada, hold it up high.
Very good. So we're both holding up the same piece. How many of these pieces make up a whole? You guys are so good today. Yeah. 3. Very good. 3/3. Very nice. Okay, so now we're going to do, guess what's next? Let's try this piece. Yes, right. It's going to be 1/4. Why would it be called 1/4? Why would it be called 1/4? Why would it be called 1/4? Yes.
Because that's the size.
That's the size of it. Good answer. How many of these make up a whole? Oh, I love your excitement about this. Okay, the person in the back. Go ahead. 4. Excellent. You did that really well. I love when you put up your fingers. That's really good. Now we're going to do the blue pieces. Could you take the blue pieces out? The blue pieces, the light blue pieces. You've got like dark pieces and then you've got light pieces. Yeah, that's it. So now it's getting smaller. What do you call this piece? What do we call this piece? Go ahead. Go ahead, try. Well, why don't you, well, okay. 1 second, let me just see a few more hands. How would you know what to call this if you saw this one? Okay.
Triangle.
It looks like a triangle, doesn't it? Yeah. You know, but it's a part of a circle, so I wouldn't call it, but it's very close. Yeah.
1/6.
1/6. Why did you say 1/6? That's okay though, that's right. How did you know that?
Because it's the same size of this.
Ah, it's the same size as that. That's excellent. And how many did you use on that paper? Why don't you fill up the paper now with these different pieces? Pizza. Hi.
We made a pizza.
Yes, it's like a piece of pizza. That's right, that's right. Most pizzas are 8 slices. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But this is really cool. Very good.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying to do. Yeah. It's supposed to be this way. Help me out here.
Very good. Very good. So now, I have a few questions for you. Okay? Somebody said 1/6. This piece, 1/6. Okay? And then somebody said 1/2. This piece, 1/2. Right? So why is it 6 is bigger than 2, right, Mrs. Price? 6 is bigger than 2. So why is this smaller than this?
Because it was cut in half.
Raise your hand, yeah. Go ahead, back there.
Because it was cut in half.
It was cut in half. Okay, so does that mean that 2 is bigger than 6?
No.
No. No. 2 is not bigger than 6, but 1/2 is bigger than 1/6, isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, this is what I want you to think about when you think about fractions. Pizza or pie or anything good like that, okay? I would rather have 1/2 than 1/6. Okay, now Mrs. Price is going to share with us how we're going to do our next part. Go ahead, Mrs. Price.
All right, the first thing I want you to do is I want you to put away all of the yellow. So put the yellow ones away. And put the dark blue ones away.
You're gonna
Purple, blue, or green, and black. Yellow, dark blue, purple, green, and black.
1/6.
1/2, and then I got a 1/6, and I added it to the 1/2. I kept getting a 1/6, and I made it a whole. I traded it back to a whole.
Very good. She traded.
Okay.
So because she didn't have the exact pieces, so that was good. Okay.
Serenity, did you have a strategy you wanted
Yes.
to share?
So, we had 3 1/6 pieces left, and we wrote a 1/2. So I put the remainder of the 6 on top of the half, and that was 3/6 equals a half. So then I put those 3 sticks down to make it a whole.
Good. Good job.
No.
Good. Trinae.
We wrote 1/6. No, we wrote 1/3, and we traded. So we put 2 of these on 1/3, and then we traded it for 2 1/6. 2 1/6.
Okay. So you, 2 1/6 pieces made a what?
1/3.
Good. Good. Did you know that or did you discover that?
I know it.
Did you know that? Okay, good. Good. It was a helpful strategy, wasn't it?
How many of you have ever played TopIt? Or how many of you have ever played the game of war with cards? Anybody play that? With more and less? That's what we're going to do a little bit like that here. We're going to play.
Listen to directions.
This is what we're going to do. You're going to roll a dice, okay? Each of you are going to roll a dice, and you're going to then put down the fraction in the center, okay, in between you and your partner. And then whoever has the larger fraction takes both fractions, and they keep those pieces. What are your questions? So now Mrs. Price and I are going to demonstrate this. Mrs. Price, do you want to demonstrate?
Yes.
Okay. I'm rolling 1/3.
Roll over here.
Okay, I rolled 1/6 now.
And I rolled a 1/6.
Okay, so it's tied. Oh, I'm sorry, yeah, I'm sorry. So it's now we're tied. So that's okay.
We'll just leave those there.
But now, I'm going to roll again. I was, about the same thing. Okay. Oh, I have 1/2.
So now you get a 1/2. And I
Which
rolled
is
a
bigger?
loser.
Which is bigger, 1/2 or 1/6?
1/2.
Yes. So guess what? I get to all of Mrs. Price's pieces
She gets
and my
hers.
own.
And mine.
Oh my gosh. Okay, thank you. Okay, now we're going to do this again. We're going to do it one more time, and then you'll start it, okay?
Ready?
Okay.
1/3.
Oh, and I lost a turn.
Let's roll you again. Let's say you got a 1/2. So I got a 1/3.
And I've got a 1/2. What do you think is bigger? 1/2. But again, 2 is smaller than 3.
So how come why isn't my 1/3 bigger than her 1/2? If 3 is bigger than 1. Eyes up here, this is important. Why do I not, I have a 3 in mine and she has a 2. So why do I not have the bigger piece?
That could be like half anything, like it could be half at 8, like it could be like half at anything, like it could be 8, half is 6, it could be half of something, I'm not agreeing with it because it could be half 8.
You said because it's half of anything.
So like, it's,
Does anyone have more to add to that? So then why is my 1/3 piece smaller than a half? Serenity?
because 1/2 is, all you need is another half of that to make a whole, but yours you need 2 more instead of 1, which the half not need.
Right, because it means I had to cut my whole piece into 3 to get this size piece. And here I had to only cut my whole piece into 2 to get this size piece. Does that make sense? So that denominator, that bottom number, that is not, that doesn't mean I'm getting a bigger piece. The bigger that denominator, the smaller my pieces are getting. Because that's how many cuts I'm making. That's how many pieces I'm breaking it into. Right? That's why it's getting smaller. Because look, when I get to 1/6, I had to cut it up even smaller, didn't I?
Yeah.
Okay? All right.
Okay, so I would keep those 2 pieces. So whoever, you each roll a dice, whoever has the bigger piece, and you put your pieces down, whoever has the bigger piece takes both pieces. Okay? Have fun with that.
All right, you're playing with the person who's your shoulder partner. Person next to you is the person.
So you get back.
Wait, what's the winner of the
All right, keep that there. Don't forget.
I like this game. One to One